Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Monday. So on Mondays on my channel, if you guys are new, we take a break from desserts and we make savory recipes. And so today I'm going to show you how to make homemade sausage rolls. So some of you guys might know, I lived in Australia for a couple of years and they have the best sausage rolls there. Oh my god. So I haven't had good ones in a while and this is one of my favorite recipes. It tastes so good and they're actually so quick and easy to whip up. Oh my gosh. If you are homesick and you're craving sausage rolls, or you just want something like really cozy and yummy to eat either for like a brunch or just for dinner, this recipe, make it. Make it. So let's get started. Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to grab some thawed puff pastry sheets and cut each sheet into about 6 equal squares, making 12 squares total. Then brush each square with some Dijon mustard. Then you want to get some pork sausages and remove the sausages from their casing and divide them into 12 balls. Roll each ball into a log shape and pop one log onto each square of puff pastry. Wrap the puff pastry around the sausage using some beaten egg to seal the pastry closed. Then place them seam side down on an ungreased baking sheet and brush the surface with the remaining beaten egg. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until they're puffed and golden brown and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my next video. That would mean the absolute world to me. And if you have any requests for other savory recipes, let me know in the comment section down below. I have some really good ones coming soon. I'm making some stuffed pasta shells, some homemade nachos. What else? Mashed potatoes, if I haven't uploaded that yet. I'm not sure which order these are going up in, but if you want homemade mashed potatoes, they're either linked, or I'll eventually, they'll be linked in the cards right here if they haven't been uploaded already. Stay tuned, that's why you need to subscribe. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for an all new video. Bye!